In the early 1970s, science and the supernatural were locked in a battle for credibility. The world was changing, parapsychology was growing, researchers were beginning to explore the boundaries of consciousness, and the question of whether ghosts were real had never been more hotly debated. On one side, traditional ghost hunters claimed that spirits were the lingering energy of the dead, wandering between this world and the next. On the other, skeptics and scientists argued that ghosts were nothing more than the mind playing tricks, fueled by suggestion and superstition. And in the middle of it all was a group of Canadian researchers who were about to conduct one of the strangest psychological experiments ever attempted. Their idea? If ghosts are real, they should be independent entities with their own history, emotions, and purpose. But if ghosts are nothing more than a projection of the human mind, then humans should be able to create one. That was the theory behind the Philip experiment conducted by the Toronto Society for Psychical Research, TSPR, in 1972. They weren't going to summon a ghost or contact the dead. They were going to invent a ghost from scratch, give it a name, a personality, a life story, and then try to communicate with it. A spirit with no history, no tragic past, no unfinished business, just a character written and imagined like something from a novel. And at first, it seemed ridiculous. After all, ghosts were either real or they weren't, right? How could a group of people just conjure one out of thin air? But when the seances began, when the knocking started and the table moved on its own, that's when the researchers began to question what they had just done. Because Philip wasn't supposed to be real, and yet something was there.